DADDYGVILLE'S world.
Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. Got Uncle Roger here, Rhonda's uncle. I got the three boys with me, and we're gonna go check out some classic cars and everything today. Then maybe go to the park later on. And hope you guys enjoy this video. Alright, hold on. Hold on, boys.
Awesome.
Look. Remember my rule? What's this sign say? Come here. What's this sign say right here? Remember my rule?
No
What's that say, Henry?
No kidding.
Please do not touch vehicles without permission. How you doing?
You gotta ask Daddy. Can I get you guys to sign in?
Yeah. Here's your guy's obsession right here. Mustang.
No, I don't like that.
You don't like Mustangs? You like your Hot Wheel Mustangs? Yeah. That's a real one.
That's the real Mustang.
Daddy,
What? Yeah, the pickup? Yeah, I like that too.
Yeah.
Looks like an old caddy.
Might be old caddy.
That's what it is. My dad had one like that, but it was convertible. I don't think I had that big of wings though. Oh yeah. You like that?
A 1918
that big one.
Cadillac. Hey,
Huh?
that's a 19,
That's like a 50s or 60s model.
1959
Cadillac. That's Cadillac.
You like that truck, huh?
What's the rule we made before we left? Alright, there's no cut.
Huh?
550.
Yeah.
550.
Plus options. Yeah. Flathead V8.
Look, we go.
Did Papa allow you to touch his stuff?
Nope.
No, he did not, did he?
What the heck? Awesome.
Oh, I like that T-Bird.
Awesome.
I like that.
Tell him get my bicycle tomorrow, Roy.
Wait.
That's
I like
why
this
he-
T-Bird right here.
Yep. Oh yeah, you grab paddle, still sore.
that they have one.
You used to have that little motorcycle. Made different noises.
What happened to it?
I don't know where it is. Right here it is, but it may not work.
That's the oldest car there is. It's an 1898 steam engine car.
I like it. It's pretty
It'll
neat.
run. It's all original, never been touched.
Leave it alone now. Get up.
You can push it again if you want to. We don't care. Go ahead and push it. Do like Santa Claus.
just left J. Taylor Classic Cars Collections, and beautiful place. I did not film everything because the place is, you know, it's got a lot of stuff to actually look at, and you know, to actually be able to admire it. I know stopping up. To actually be able to admire everything in there, you would actually have to see it in person. I didn't capture everything on film, but you know, it is a great place. Y'all check it out. They're open on Thursdays and Saturdays, 5 to 9, and check it out. Just check it out. You won't regret it. It's a great place. It's here in Huntington, West Virginia, though. We came over here to visit my in-laws, and you know, drop the kids off. I bring the 3 boys with me, but I couldn't actually look and admire the cars like I like. They seen what they liked, and then once they seen what they liked, it was done. You know, they wanted to go home, so I took them back to my mother-in-law's, and you know, me and Roger went back down there. I took some more video, and just check the place out. It's fabulous. I actually love it. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss a video.
You're getting all hung up on imaginary problems. You gotta focus on what's real, man.